Well, hi guys, it's George from Cyprus Insight. Today we're in the sunny Ayia Napa and there's two buses coming along. Let's have a look what they are. That's the 502 and the 102. There we are, that's going to Dorinya, and the other one is going to Ayia Napa Water Park. We're going to have a walk around the Sunwing Sandy Bay Hotel that's undergoing massive refurbishment, guys. Oh, another bus. Well, I don't know the number of that one. We're going to go over the flying car bit anyway, and then we'll walk all the way round. So guys, we're going to go round the corner. We'll get a very good view round the corner and see what's going on. It's due to open in 4 weeks time, and it sounds like they're really cracking on with this place. There's lots of workers in there. I did see from the front that the windows are in, and just through the bushes I can see all the brand new concrete. Oh, I can smell paint, can you? I think it's the tennis courts, guys. Yes, it is. There's a guy there painting the tennis courts. There we are. Let's go round and we'll get a really good view of what's really going on in this place. So I think that's the turf. There it is. There's the turf for the tennis courts. Brand new turf. Wow, look at that. That is amazing. So let's carry on down, see what else is going on, and we'll really get in a good view now. Now we can always tell that the project's nearly finished because there's paints everywhere, painters everywhere painting the place. So there we are, look, there's the tennis courts and football. I think that's a football pitch actually. So they're putting down some sort of glue for the tennis courts or football pitch. Look at this, it's amazing. Wow, look, all the windows are in. You can see inside that all the fitted furniture is finished. Brand new windows, all the tiling's done. The glass verandas are in. Just a bit of painting here. It's all painted on that side. Looks like we've just got a bit of landscaping to do. Lots of cleaning up, obviously. Look, that's all painted down there. More painters are on the far side, and then landscaping going on around the area. So yeah guys, you can see that they're finishing off, coming up to the end of the project. Here, can you see the slabs? There they are, loads and loads of slabs there ready to go down in this whole area. And that makes sense to me, putting down the landscaping once the project's nearly finished. We don't want to ruin the slabs round the garden areas. All these trucks and JCBs going in and out. There, you can have a peep into the rooms there. Look, all the furniture in. Oh, can we see there? Yes, there we are. See that top one? You can see the wardrobes. You can see where the TV cabinet is. That looks lovely, doesn't it? And all the plugs and sockets have got to go in. You can see all the wires sticking out for the last fitting. There we are, there's another gap. There, can you see? This side's all painted, that's painted, and then they're painting the curly whirly steps going up. See, all the windows are in. Some more landscaping to do around here. Don't forget guys, a lot of the landscaping might be plants and putting in pipes. You can see this room here and the one on the top. Inside it's virtually finished, all painted. In fact, that's got sockets and plugs in that particular room. It's got granite worktops. There we are. All the pipes are in. And there's probably a mini JCB come down here, level this area out, and this area will be garden. And then over there, ready for the slabs to go down. All the concrete's down. Bit of painting. Now, considering how big a project this is, guys, believe it or not, there's not a lot left to do. And there's loads of people around. Look, all these amazing shades. Can you see those amazing shades on top of the verandas? They're all done, and we've got different type of shades on the top floors. Yeah. You see, I think the gardeners are going to be in the next week or so, and the landscapers. And we did see a JCB right at the front taking all the rubbish away. There's a big lorry filling up with all the rubble and the rubbish. There goes a JCB. There you can see this area needs tidying up. We've got the kids water park, that's nearly finished there. Now we're going to go over to the Ocean Beach Club. They've had some new bungalows built, guys, so we'll head towards the shore, have a look at those, and then do a circular walk up the slope. Oh, I like that slope. It's a lovely breeze today, guys. There we go, that's Christopher's restaurant, guys. Lots of viewers have commented on Christopher's restaurant when we walked past it last time. They said it's a lovely place, delish food. There we are. So there's the entrance, or the back entrance, to the Sunwing Sandy Beach Hotel down that alleyway, guys. And there is a water sports centre there. They do diving and all sorts. Right, let's go down this pathway, shall we? It was a bit misty this morning. Amazing, temperatures are changing. Over the weekend it was 32 degrees. Wow, now it's dropped down to about 25, 26. So there's the Ocean Beach Club, and that's connected to the Sunwing, guys. Round the back we saw the alleyway, didn't we? Look out for the videos, because we did go into these hotels, did a little video last year, went through this hotel and then onto the Sunwing. Let's have a peep in, have a look what's going on. It's all open. Here we are, look at that. Swim up pool rooms. Isn't that beautiful? What a massive veranda. Oh, that's a good idea. These ones have got little gates, so if you've got young ones, they can't go into the pool. You have to open the gate on your veranda. So here we are in front of the Ocean Beach Club, guys. It's a brand new building. There we are, we've got two buildings there. I think there might be extra rooms with a swimming pool. Look at that. Right, let's go round and have a look on our coastal path. There we are, there's the extra buildings, and then we'll carry on to the existing buildings, guys. There we are. Oh, lovely big lawn. And we can see more of those amazing swim up pool rooms straight ahead. You see? So we'll carry on around the side, guys. Look at the lovely little beach. It's a little bit rocky, this beach, so you've got to be careful. Can you see the man there? He's being a bit careful. You could use your rock shoes and get in, because you can see the rocks and then it's all clear. Ah, he hasn't got his rock shoes on. I thought he was struggling a bit. Yeah, there you go. So guys, we're working our way back towards the Sunwing. In the meantime, it gives me a great opportunity to thank all our subscribers, all 14,000 of them. Thank you very much, each and every one of you. And if you haven't subscribed yet, completely free. Just click on the subscribe button. Lots of viewers have asked us how we can support the channel. All you have to do is watch the adverts right through. Oh, I wonder what he's delivering. Oh look, a whole lorry full of NMMs. Delish. So the Sunwing Hotel is behind these beautiful flowers, guys. Look at these bushes. So the gardeners will be in shortly. Trim the bushes down a little bit. Get everything ready for you guys. It looks like landscapers are in. They're doing more work over there, guys. And these rooms need a little bit more attention. They're not quite ready yet over here. We haven't got any windows or doors on this side. Oh, look at those lovely gardens over there. That's the Nisi Blue Beach Hotel. Look out for the video, guys. Here we are. Yeah, some more work needed doing on this side, guys. I think they're going to concentrate on this side now. The major builders are over this side. Just finishing off the plaster work on this last building on my right. You see that? So I'll possibly finish off the plaster work on this side and then get those doors fitted. Oh, there's a mini digger. There, can you see? There we are. I said they're going to finish off the plaster work, didn't I, guys? So this side's having all the plaster work done, and that building on the right, that's finished plastering. They'll start straight away painting. So yeah, guys, loads and loads of pallets of paint. So I suspect there'll be lots of painters in there painting away, getting the place whitewashed, looking very clean and tidy. Don't forget, guys, there's that fantastic Indian restaurant, Rasoi. There it is across the road. Look out for the video. That's open all year round. We went in there in the winter, I do believe. We had a lovely Indian meal. There's Joker Square. That's the second Joker Square in Ayia Napa. There is one in Brodara, as you might well know. Oh, let's get off the bicycle track, shall we? You can see the green buses. They're the intercity buses, and there is a bus stop just outside the Sunwing Hotel that's going to Larnaca, guys. And if you want to carry on, you can pick up another bus from Larnaca and go on to other cities. So there we are, guys, ever so popular, totally refurbished Sunwing Hotel. Looking fantastic, isn't it, guys? Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if there's somewhere you'd like me to go, put it in the comments below.